Hello 2020 user, thank you for accessing this training tutorial for Omega Cabinetry. This brief video will show you how to extend the bottom rail on your cabinet. In your most recent cabinet catalog, go ahead and place your wall cabinet, and then you will right click on that cabinet and go to Attributes, and we will go to Add-ons and Wall Modifications and Frame Modifications. And go ahead and scroll down until you see Extend Bottom Rail. So we'll click on that, and a window will pop up to ask you wide bottom rail and the amount. And this is where you need to specify the extension height from the bottom of the cabinet. So I'm going to go ahead and put 5 inches in here, and we'll hit Apply and OK. And then we'll hit Apply and OK again. Let's take a look at it. And you'll see that it's added your extended bottom rail. Remember, this doesn't change the height of your cabinet, but it will change the height of your face frame. Thank you for your time. We hope this video was helpful. Please find other videos like this in our collection and be sure to let us know if there are any other 2020 learning topics that you'd like to see demonstrated in this way. Happy designing.